Welcome to the History of Switzerland. In this video, we'll embark on a captivating journey through the fascinating and unique history of this beautiful alpine nation. Early settlements and formation. Our story begins thousands of years ago, as ancient tribes settled in the region that would become Switzerland. These communities lived off the land and traded with neighboring cultures. Over time, the Helvetii, a Celtic tribe, emerged as a dominant force. Roman influence and Helvetic Confederation. In the 1st century BC, the Roman Empire extended its reach into Switzerland. The area became a vital part of the Roman province of Helvetia. However, as the Roman Empire declined, the region saw the emergence of a confederation of states known as the Old Swiss Confederation. Struggles for independence. Throughout the Middle Ages, the Swiss Confederation faced challenges from neighboring powers. The Swiss states united to defend their independence in battles such as the Battle of Morgarten and the Battle of Sempach. The signing of the Federal Charter in 1291 laid the groundwork for a decentralized federal system. Neutrality and Reformation. Switzerland's commitment to neutrality began to take shape during the 16th century Reformation. The country was divided along religious lines, leading to conflicts. However, the Peace of Westphalia in 1648 recognized Switzerland's neutrality and independence, solidifying its role as a safe haven for diplomacy. Modernization and the Swiss federal state. The 19th century saw Switzerland embrace modernization. The country developed a strong economy, and its unique political structure, based on cantonal autonomy within a federal state, provided stability. Switzerland also upheld its neutrality during significant global conflicts, including World War I and World War II. Switzerland today, a global hub. Today, Switzerland stands as a global hub of innovation, diplomacy, and finance. With its breathtaking landscapes, it attracts tourists and adventurers alike. The nation is home to renowned institutions such as the Red Cross and numerous United Nations agencies, further cementing its reputation as a neutral mediator on the world stage. Cultural diversity and unity. Switzerland's diversity is celebrated through its 4 official languages and a rich tapestry of cultures. Traditional events like cow parades and cheese festivals showcase the country's rural heritage, while cities like Zurich and Geneva epitomize modern cosmopolitan life. And so concludes our journey through the history of Switzerland. From ancient tribes to a beacon of diplomacy, Switzerland's history is one of resilience, diversity, and a commitment to neutrality.